各位你哋好，我係呂校長。最近咧就我講關於一個豪門嘅一個婚姻，令到大家咧都係好似食花生一般咁樣去追劇咁追啦。咁我停咗一下嘅。咁停嘅原因係因為我覺得，正如嘅片段，我係需要一啲比較準確啲嘅查證啦，應該咁講啦。你哋可能講嘅 fact check 啦。咁因為好多人同我講話，喂，李明慧係咪講緊大話㗎？李明慧究竟係咪緊我呂校長，然之後幫緊佢達到其他嘅目的啊、其他嘅利益啊咁樣樣？呢一方面咧，我可能永遠都唔會知㗎。可能佢哋兩公婆雙方都有好多嘢隱瞞大家，咁但係可能都唔關我事啦，係嘛？我關注嘅就係究竟當女人受虐待嘅時候，應唔應該出聲？又或者係一個婚姻，即使係要離婚嘅話咧，究竟會唔會離得好核突咧？會唔會影響到細路仔咧？咁樣，咁喺其中一個片段入邊咧，都我知道係有少少爭議性，所以我係冇放到出嚟全部咁樣去放出嚟嘅。亦都揀今晚即係娛樂記者係應該放假嘅日子咧去播呢條片，因為我唔想感覺上係一個好爆嘅娛樂新聞。嗱，每一個嘅婚姻咧，其實都係開始都係一個好美麗嘅愛情故事。佢哋會拍拖，佢哋會結婚，佢哋會組織一個家庭。咁然之後跟住大家就會開始嗌交。咁究竟點樣可以解決到、挽救到個婚姻，或者係有冇啲咩嘢係挽救唔到嘅咧？喺佢哋個 case 入邊咧，佢哋雙方都覺得係挽救唔到噶啦。咁啊，當中喺其中一條片入面，佢係講過話，佢要即時被佢老公咧陳耀陽係趕佢出家門嘅。佢而家係無家可歸，要被逼住喺一個佢唔想住嘅地方，同啲仔女一齊。入邊講到咧就係話因為佢人好衰，因為咧就應該就係要移走一啲嘅武器，或者係一啲唔見得光嘅嘢。咁喺呢一方面咧，我係冇再去繼續去播條片嘅，所以見到我啲片咧唔係好似人哋 professional 嗰啲咁樣樣去專係娛樂大家，好似感覺上有頭冇尾咁樣。喺我同佢女女嘅對話入面咧，我反覆問，亦都唔止同佢傾過一次偈嘅。其實喺呢個嘅我哋嘅見面，即係你哋見到嘅訪問片段入面嘅之前咧，我係同佢傾過偈。之後最近我都再傾過偈。我想確保究竟李明慧有冇對住我講大話咧？我所睇到嘅片同睇到嘅相有幾真實咧？咁當然我自己判斷到嘅都有，咁但係究竟個女係點睇咧？咁所以揀咗今日同大家講清楚佢。首先睇一睇翻之前究竟李明慧係點講嘅？
其實咧，應該係有啲物件喺間屋度咧，係一定要散走嘅。
唔見得光，唔見得光。
唔見得光，或者係有啲武器啦。
所以就需要離場，要自離場。
你哋諗啦。
以下落嚟咧就係我同 Ava 最近嘅對話啦。咁首先我要聲明就係之前我哋係冇 rehearsal 嘅，冇預習定，而且整個過程入邊咧，佢爸爸同媽媽咧都係冇參與過嘅，即係我係冇俾佢哋入嚟嗰個 Zoom 嘅聚會。而家 Ava 咧18歲，已經去咗外國讀書噶啦。咁聽一聽大家佢要講嘅聲明先。
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm good too. So it's been a while since we last spoke. So first of all, I want to make it very, very clear. Do you understand that what we discuss here is going to be made public and it's entirely your own choice? Are you clear about that?
Yes, I understand what I share today will be public, and this decision is completely my own, and no one has ever
No,
forced
not
me.
your mom or your dad forced you, urged you, coached you, just you.
No, I think for me, this is something that I've wanted to do for a long time, just because I feel like I've already been silent for so long.
For
And I
a
think,
long time, yes.
yeah. And I think me speaking out, it's not about getting revenge on anyone or attention, but it's really about just setting the record straight and also standing up for others who have whose voices are drowned out by manipulation and denial.
Good.
And also when I was younger, like maybe I would just like peek into like his room because like I'm a curious child and I
Yeah.
would see these certain
Yeah,
like
everybody will be
objects.
curious. Of
Yeah.
course. If you're not allowed to do something, you want to know what's going on, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so did you go in?
Yeah, I think I would just like peek into like the room and like kind of like see what was in there. And then
Mm-hmm.
I think like later on in high school, I would like think about it more and like try to research to see like what those things actually were. And
You can see
all
the
of
tools.
yeah. And I
Mm.
think like all of these things were just like pointing to one thing. Yeah.
So but you never ask him. You never like kind of like
I would never ask him because
you
like
dare, you
that
dare
might
not,
be
right?
another it might lead to another explosion.
Okay, so I noticed that in the court, your mom did mention things that, of course, the everything were lies. Okay, including your father had a kind of like a bad habit. And I remember we had the conversation last time that I asked you, can you feel the smell, the weird smell? Is that real?
Yes. I think like for a long time, I was really suspicious of like why there was a weird smell coming like down from his room or why his door was always locked or like why
So
he
there's
always
a
had
specific room that it's the man
yeah,
cave
yeah, or
that
like
he stay
like
inside quite often.
yeah. And I think I was always like I didn't like it seemed very like secretive like if
Mm.
like I wasn't allowed to go inside or like we had to like knock like he was always coughing.
講緊係佢自己講緊佢爸爸嘅不是咧，佢唔會話好開心，但係佢要大家知嘅係一種事實，佢要大家知嘅就係、其實呢件事唔係淨係陳耀陽同李明慧嘅，仲有我啊咁樣樣，仲有我同我哥哥啊，我嗰個孖生嘅哥哥啊咁樣。咁喺今日咧就冇任何關於佢哥哥嘅片段啦。因為我都知道好多人都想知，咁但係無論點都好啦，都希望咧各位陳耀陽嘅朋友啦，包括佢見過啲 auntie 啦，或者係一啲完全唔識嘅人整啲假 account 出嚟咧，高抬貴手啦，因為咧你可能好想幫你老闆。幫你朋友 ，OK， 你要擦鞋，你要做咩都好啦 ，OK， 收錢與不收錢都好啦，你想打擊李明慧，明白啊？但係呢一個係一個小朋友，咁希望大家高抬貴手。咁啊，任何其實如果你抹黑我、抹黑佢、抹黑呢兩位女性，其實只係一個目的㗎咋，就係講緊陳耀陽好好咁樣樣。其實咧，從來唔係要貶低一個人先至代表另外一人高嘅。高與低，大家心中有數。